So for today's trade of the day video, we're going to do something a little bit different, and we're going to look at the euro dollar for a potential opportunity that might be setting up for tonight. Okay, so there's a lot of possibilities I've said there, but it's not there yet. We haven't had a confirmed opportunity. And what I want to do is just get into the details of this chart. Now, what I'm going to do first of all is try and establish the longer term trend, that path of least resistance. Now, there's two ways that we're going to do this, or we can do this as traders. Number one is that we look at the higher time frame, we take a step back and look at the bigger picture. Which way is this market more likely to go? And what we're looking at here is this line here. So looking at that monthly chart, we're taking a big step back, the big oil tanker, if you like. Which way is that market going? It's down. The line is red. That's suggesting a downtrend. Equally, on the weekly chart, that's also red as well, suggesting a downtrend. So we've got both of those timeframes pointing to lower prices. What this means is it gives us a bias for the market. That means that we would prefer to be taking short trades. We don't really want to be taking buy trades. There's a caveat to that. We need additional reasons. We need an additional reason to make us more confident about taking those trades, but we just don't take them sort of blindly. The point really being, when you're brand new to trading, when you're brand new to joining our training programs, we put you on the safer trading opportunities. What are they? The ones in line with those longer term trends. Sniper trades with the longer term direction, like this sell sniper here. It's in line with that longer term monthly trend. And a potential trade here coming up tonight, which is what we call a continuation. Now, I don't have time to go through the details of it right now, but ultimately it's about going again in line with the longer term trend. Simple rules-based approach to trading as well. So there's a couple of things I want to talk about here. One is that how can we identify these trends a little more simply? Well, we can look at the higher time frames, but actually on our browser platform, we've done it a bit cooler than that, really, if you like, and look at the arrows on the left-hand side. The way in which I demonstrated before, by looking at those lines on those higher time frames, we've created a clever tool, trend finding tool, if you like, which does the arrows for that, depicting the trends. So we can see the trend by just looking at the arrow over any candlestick. So as we go through, you can see how the color of the arrow and the direction of the arrow changes depending on the direction of the weekly and the monthly bars. So effectively, what you're seeing here throughout this is that we've got a downward trend on the monthly, and the weekly is moving around a little bit, and that's fine. Again, not going to go into the details there. The point being, if you're new to this and you don't want to be looking at high time frames, you don't have to. The tool is there to give you the key information that you really need anyway. What we're looking at here is that potential buying opportunity there. We started off with a sell in line with the downward monthly trend, and that was a nice opportunity. The market fell quite aggressively and so on. But look, what about this here? What about this move against the trend? Well, it's simply that. It is against the longer term trend. And what you're seeing here is that period of sort of lower highs, moving to lower lows. The chart pattern is not really in our favor, is it? It's against us. The longer term direction of the market is down. The idea being you're more likely to see a small rally followed by a bigger move to new lows. This move higher has been rejected. It was a low probability trade anyway, hence we didn't take it. Now we're looking at it for a potential sell trade. So we're going to see how this pans out tonight and where it comes in, but there's a possible opportunity there. So we'll have a look at it. Why possible sell trade? It's what we call a continuation. So what we've got here is we've got those lines turning from green to red, back in line with an established downward arrow for the weekly and a downward arrow for the monthly. So we're looking to harmonize, if you like, with that path of least resistance. Where's this trade going to go? We'll find out. Certainly over the last 7 years or so, trades that meet these rules, if you like, setups that look like this, around sort of 60 to 65% of them go on and be profitable trading opportunities, i.e. go on and hit our first profit target, our benchmark target, if you like. So we'll be looking forward to that. And we'll document it in the next couple of days to see how this trade pans out. But it's just about getting into that mindset. Which is the path of least resistance? Which way is this market more likely to go? And let's look to focus on trades in that direction. Let's get probability on our side. Hope you've enjoyed listening and have a great day's trading. Bye-bye.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.